What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 2, where I'm actually showing you guys how to trade step by step using a strategy which I recorded a video recently and the video went viral on how to scalp on a small account or any account size or even a prop firm or anything you want to call it, all right? So this strategy is simple. If you haven't watched the video that I recorded showing in detail how to trade with this strategy, just check the link above or check the link on the video description. There are 2 videos you need to watch. The first video is the whole strategy anatomy itself, where I explain in detail. And then the second video is episode 1, all right? Because the strategy, then episode 1, and then this is episode 2, where we're going to be continuing from where we ended episode 1. So on episode 1, we already took almost about 5 or 6 trades. We were already up with almost about 5% of our account. And then on episode 2, we're going to be seeing which trades were closed and how we can add more positions, all right? So if you can come here on my terminal, you can see this is out of the 5 trades we took, we actually had 2 of those trades that were winners and 2 were losers. And the last one is this one that is still open, which is the one on Euro USD. And from the look of things, TP is almost hit and it's going to be a winner as well. So let's close this now. And then we go through the trade one by one just so we can see what happened. And then we'll also see if it is time for us to take a trade, right? Remember, on the lower time frame on gold, on the high time frame on gold, what was on gold? Let's just quickly confirm. On gold, on the high time frame was actually selling. So we are waiting for the lower time frame to also be selling. And you can see the lower time frame is trying to cross right here, all right? So we are still waiting on gold. Then on Great Britain Pound USD, it was actually a loss. On the high time frame, it's actually buying. On the lower time frame, we are looking for the same thing. It has to be buying on the lower time frame. So we just quickly open this. On the lower time frame, it has to be buying. Boom. So you can see we got out here. Now, this is where we're supposed to get in again, right here. And the market has been pushing up. So it hasn't gone up that far. We can still get in here, put our stop loss somewhere here on 8 pips and go for 16 pips, guys. So we're still gonna get in here, put our stop loss. Let's just quickly go and modify the trade. Let's open our trading terminal. And then we quickly go on Great Britain Pound USD, go on modify. We're going to be risking 8 pips, which is the same as 80 points. And we'll go for 16 pips, which is 160 points. Voila. So we're already into this one. We can even put our stop loss a little bit here just because we have this swing right here, right? So our stop loss can stand a little bit here and our take profit, we can increase it a little bit. Remember, we want to always go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Now we have this trade up and running. We can then push this bar right up. USD JPY, let's see what happened on USD JPY. You can see was a loss. We got in here because the market was telling us it was in an uptrend. So we got in here. And then the trend has changed now to a downtrend on the lower time frame. So since the higher time frame is in an uptrend, so let's just go here to confirm USD JPY. You can see the lower time frame is in an uptrend, all right? So since the higher time frame is an uptrend, the higher time frame is an uptrend, and on the lower time frame, it's already crossed somewhere here, and now it is instead telling us that it is a lower time, or it is a downtrend. Okay, let's not confuse ourselves. You guys already see on the higher time frame, USD JPY is in an uptrend, while on the lower time frame, which is the 5-minute time frame, USD JPY is instead in the opposite trend, which is now, it has just been confirmed that USD JPY is now in a downtrend. So at this point in time, you don't do anything. We don't do anything until whenever the trend on the lower time frame changed from a lower time frame to a higher time frame to confirm that both trends are in one direction, or if the market keeps dropping, we'll have to wait until whenever the higher time frame changed into a downtrend, then we'll come back to the lower time frame and then we'll start looking for what? We'll start looking for sell opportunities. So if the trend changed from the higher time frame to a sell, we'll come to the lower time frame at that point in time and we'll start looking for sell opportunities. So we're just going to push back this one in because we don't have any setup. Then Euro USD, you can see this is Euro USD. We are almost hitting our take profit. This is our take profit. We got in somewhere here. This is our take profit up here, and the market is going in our favor. So at this point in time, there's nothing we're going to do. We're not trading our stuff. We're not doing anything. We're just waiting for the market to go and hit our take profit. This is our stop loss right here. Then we'll go to the next one on our list, which is Great Britain Pound AUD. We didn't have anything there. Then Great Britain pound CAD, we're waiting for the market to push back and produce a sell signal. So the market, that hasn't happened. So we have to continue waiting. Then if we can come here, this is still another one on USD JPY. On Euro JPY. Euro JPY, this is what we're waiting. We're waiting for this pullback. So we're supposed to enter right here. So the market has already gone in our favor for almost about 3 minutes. But we can still jump in now, right, guys? We can still jump in 0.25. And then we can jump into this trade. Let's quickly modify Euro JPY. We'll go to modify. Remember our stop loss, we're going to be risking 5 pips to go for 10 pips. Let's risk 5 pips, which is the same as 50 points. And we win for 10 pips, which is the same as 100 pounds. Boom. Voila. Okay. I think our stop loss, we're going to be putting our stop loss reasonably somewhere here. So we're going to remember, if we do this, we need to also increase our take profit. So our stop loss is now on 6 pips, so our take profit needs to now on 12 pips. Take profit needs to be somewhere. Okay, let's just measure this again and see. So we're risking 9 pips. Take profit now needs to be on 18 pips, so it needs to be exactly here. Voila, that's it. So after that, we are already done with that one. Let's quickly go to another currency pair we're waiting, which was what? AUD or USD. On AUD USD, on the lower time frame or on the higher time frame, we confirmed that it was in an uptrend. So we're looking to see the lower time frame should also be in an uptrend. All right, uptrend, good. So we're supposed to enter right here. So this one too will also enter a buy. Remember, we already explained this in detail on our previous videos. So here we're just executing once the setup has already aligned. Here we're going to be risking. Let's check how much we're going to risk. So I want our stop loss to go here. Stop loss should go on 4 pips, and then we go for 8 pips. All right, stop loss on 4 pips, and then we go for 8 pips. 4 pips is the same as 40 points, and then we go for 8 pips, which is the same as 80 points. Good. So our stop loss is right there, and if I zoom in, this is our take profit right here. All right, so we are also done on that one. We also push that one right out, and then we wait and see what happens. Remember, anytime you buy, we'll say the trade automatically goes in a loss because you need to pay for the commission or the spread. Then let's check our US tech trade. Okay, our US tech trade has given us a nice signal. Remember, this is what we wanted. We checked last time when the market was here, and we wanted the market to push back and give us the first bullish signal. And the market has done just that. So we're going to now be entering somewhere here. Our stop loss is just going to be on 120 pips. And we'll be going for 140 pips. Remember, this is NASDAQ. And on NASDAQ, the pip difference, the pip value is totally different. All right. So we need to actually go on Lionheart Funding Program to use their position calculator. The reason why we are going there is to go and use their lot size calculation or their Forex calculator. We need their Forex calculator to be able to calculate the lot size we can use on this particular trade. Just to be able to clarify, if you want to calculate anything that has to do with your margin calculation, profit calculation, position size, to know the lot size, you're going to be using p-value, position, even in price, you just come on Lionheart Funding Program, go on tools, and you see position size calculation, or you see trading calculators. All right, everything is in here. You don't need to go anywhere again. Economic calendar is right there on Lionheart Funding Program. Forex sentimental analysis is also right there. If we go on sentimental analysis, just so you guys can have an idea on what is actually happening. Let's just take a currency pair for an example, right? Let's take something like US tech. Or let's just close this and we go and take something like, let's take something like Great Britain Pound USD. On Great Britain Pound USD, we actually have a buy somewhere here on Great Britain Pound USD. So let's go and see what the majority of people are doing on Great Britain Pound USD. All right. So we go back to the website on Lionheart Funding Program, go on tools, click on Forex sentimental analysis, and then write down here Great Britain Pound USD. Can you see? So the bar here, the green represents buy and the red represents sell, and it says long trades percentage. So you can see just about 22% of people are actually buying as we speak, and then 78% of people are actually selling as we speak. Remember, this takes the volume from more than 20 different brokers to be able to tell you what people are doing. But in the market, sometimes for you to be able to win in the Forex market, you need to do the opposite of what 90% of people are doing, because 90% of traders lose 90% of their trading account in the first 90 days of trading. That's why, even though the smaller percentage is selling, that's why I'm also selling. Even though the smaller percentage is buying, that's why I am also buying. Because remember, on Great Britain Pound USD, we are buying as we speak. Because our analysis told us that we should be buying, even though the majority of the people are selling. That's why the majority of people never make money in Forex trading. So you can just calculate, you can go here, you will see a lot and a lot. And remember, this also takes data from traders in Lionheart funding program. All right, that's something you guys don't know. This also takes data from traders who are trading with this platform. So with Lionheart funding program, majority of their traders are selling and just about 22% are actually buying. You can check that on any currency pair. Can you see it on any currency pair? You'll be able to see, even on NASDAQ, on that, you can be able to actually see what's happening. I can see even on this currency pair, majority of people are selling. This one, almost 100% of people are buying, you see. So you can always come here on sentimental analysis. You'll be able to see a lot and a lot. Next update is in 2 minutes. Remember, this is updated every 2 minutes, Good. So that's that, guys. If we can come back here, remember we already said, if I'm to trade here on, let's go back to NASDAQ, guys. Let's go back to NASDAQ. We were to take a trade on NASDAQ, which was a buy. The more we are wasting time, guys, you can see the market is pushing up. So most of the time, if I'm using 0.25 on currency pairs and I want to trade NASDAQ, what I do is I just double the lot size, all right? Because the p-value will just be on. When it comes to NASDAQ, the p-value is a little bit lower. So since I was using 0.05 with 0.25 with currency pairs, here I'll just use 0.5, all right? I'll just use 0.5 here, and remember, we are buying. Now, since we've just bought, we can go back to our trading terminal and we quickly modify our position. We'll go to US Tech, go to Trade Modify. Remember, our stop loss was 120 pips, which is 1,200 points, and our take profit is 140 pips, which is 1,400 points. Voila. So you can see this is our stop loss right here. I want us to stand below this swing. So if I measure from here to here, I'm just waiting for it to update. So I want us to stand below this swing. If I measure now from here to here, this is a stop loss of about 170 pips. It means our take profit has to be about 230 pips. So 230 pips should be somewhere here. So we just need to increase this one a bit. Let's go. Just put that, drag up a bit, and that is our stop loss. That's our take profit, sorry. Perfect, that's our take profit. So with that, we've already modified this position again. We can click out of it. We can click out of our market wash or out of our trading terminal. Remember, you can always be going back to your trading terminal just to see what is happening. We are down with $10 on all 6 trades, on all the 6 trades, plus the 4 we took on episode 4 or 5 we took on episode 1. That's already almost about 10 trades. So let's wait and come back on episode 3 to see how much we made or lose on this particular trade. And at that point in time, we'll be able to do our analysis, because by that time, we must have gone to 50% of the sample size. I want us to take a total of 20 trades, all right? So by the end of this episode, that will be a total of 10 or 11 trades, and we'll be able to analyze to see how many trades were winners, how many were losers, and the net percentage. Our goal is to be able to have a positive net percentage at the end of the day. That is the goal of a profitable Forex trader who has a profitable mindset. You're going to have losers, you're going to blow accounts, but at the end of the day, your winners should be really bigger than your losers, so that they can bulldoze, it can cover, it can bulldoze all those losers. That's our main goal. So we're going to come back. You can see we're almost cruising back in profit on our terminal. We'll come back after a couple of hours to be able to see. We'll go through the trade again to make a review on all the trades we took, and then we'll be able to take again more trades, so that at the end of the day we can get a total of those 20 trades. Then we'll be able to calculate to see that, okay, where we ended the day with plus 5%, with plus 8%, with plus 10%, with plus 3%. If you're a profitable trader, or if you can guarantee yourself that at the end of every month, you end the month with just plus 5%, you'll be among the top 5% of Forex traders who are making money. Just 5% at the end of the month, you'll be on top of the game. You'll be on the top 5% of us who are actually making money in the Forex market. Because 5% on a $100,000 account you'll be making $5,000. 5% on a $1 million account, which sometimes I used to trade with 5 million with prop firms. 5% on a $1 million account, that's $50,000. And you'll be using the same strategy, the same energy, and the same time. So that's the importance of trading side. Remember, this whole series is teaching you guys a lot of things, teaching you guys the importance of trading psychology, teaching you guys the importance of sticking to your plan. You can see anytime I see a trade, I don't doubt myself. I don't start asking myself questions. I don't go through a lot of conferences where I start doubting myself, start fighting with my intuition. No, I analyze like a pro and I execute like a robot. If I see my system, ask myself, does it meet the rules on my trading plan? If the answer is yes, boom, I'm executing, bro. I'm always just asking myself, am I risking the percentage that I wanted to risk on that particular trade? So we're going to be coming back again, like I said, in about 1 hour, and we'll be able to go through our trading terminal and we'll take it from there. So if you want to use a broker that will allow you to be able to trade like this, check the link below to be able to use my recommended broker, to be able to join Godlove University, where I'll be able to teach you step by step on how to do this across different currency pairs, across different markets. Also check the link below to use my recommended prop firm if you want to trade up to $600,000. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on this other episode, or see you guys on the next video.